GRW Law's with us. What's up, brother? How you doing, man?
Good
morning.
Man. How you guys doing? First of all, Happy New Year.
Same to you too. Same to you too,
be
brother.
back. You got your Central colors. Well, everybody got their Central colors
I
on
switched.
today.
Now I'm following the
Commanders.
Commanders.
I know. How can you go for a Cowboys for Commander? See, that's
Just for the playoffs.
Who does that?
Just to,
that's like going
to
from
make
Carolina to Duke.
To make
How can you
K-Mac
go-
mad.
How can you go from Carolina to Duke? You can't do that.
Wow.
So it's just a one-day thing. This is for K-Mac.
You
Because he
seen the
came
K-Mac
in
seat?
yesterday,
Okay.
and he was just
Yeah,
paraphernalia down.
he was.
It's a good time for him. Good
Yeah,
time.
So let's rock with it right quick, man. My friend, what we got going on, man?
Yeah, so-
in your space. I
So
know you got-
speaking of juicy,
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
we got the everybody's been hearing about the Fox News.
Oh yeah.
No, I'm sorry, Fox
Fox Sports. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. The opposite of juicy, Fox News. But anyway, Fox Sports with the workplace allegations and the lawsuits with Skip Bayless and Joy Taylor.
Oh man, yeah.
Accusations.
Yeah.
So this is and it's interesting the timing because it's again right before the Super Bowl.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
You know, a couple of years ago we had the Michael Irving issue
Right
yeah.
before.
come out.
Is
right
that Mark?
before.
Hey, whatever happened to that though? By the way,
It just went away.
Yeah,
but-
he actually, I think he won a settlement against the hotel because it ended up, not being true.
Okay.
But in this instance, a worker, a hairstylist with Fox News, Fox Sports has filed a lawsuit against the Fox Corporation, Fox Sports Holdings, all of the different LLCs, and she also named Charlie Dixon, who is a executive at Fox
Sports, yeah.
Skip Bayless, and Joy Taylor.
The beautiful Joy Taylor?
Let me
What?
see her height. I mean, let's keep it 100, man. I mean,
Right.
she her height.
She
I mean,
aight.
I'm just saying, you know, like.
I will neither confirm nor deny.
All thing I'm saying, she all right.
She all right.
No, I know the fellas been right. She all right. It ain't like you gonna, anyway, go ahead.
Until this lawsuit.
So interestingly, the lawsuit is so this individual worked for Fox as a hairstylist for about 7 or 8 years.
Okay.
And she kind of bounced around from show to show. She worked for Undisputed. She did some work for individuals within the Fox organization, like at their home, and that's kind of how she got the job.
Right.
The lawsuit goes into a lot of kind of dirt, so to speak.
Well, let's talk about some of that dirt.
Yeah,
Let's talk about some of that dirt.
So she alleges in her complaint that Joy Taylor basically was sleeping with Dixon, one of the other defendants, and that's how.
This is the lady at the hair place. You just
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so she befriended Joy Taylor when they became friends.
I told you,
start
go
telling your
get your hair
business.
did.
Yeah.
Be careful. Get your hair did.
When you sit in the chair, it's something about when you sit in the
It's
chair, you just think you
therapeutic.
just
Yeah,
talk to
therapeutic.
them and you end up
Right.
telling your business.
Right. So the complaint alleges that Joy had recently moved from Miami to L.A. She left her husband in Miami. So that kind of created this space.
Joy left her husband in Miami.
Correct.
Oh.
For her to get close to Miss Faraji. And
Okay.
so they began going on lunch dates and dinner dates, and then all of a sudden this man starts showing up, according to the complaint. And she sent some sexual tension between her
two.
and
Y'all know, Pam. Y'all be knowing.
Yeah.
Y'all know.
Absolutely.
So then at work one day, she sees this man in the elevator, and she tells Joy, "Hey, I saw the guy that's buying us drinks and food in the elevator. So that's Mr. Dixon. Blah, 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 keep your mouth shut,
Oh, okay.
et cetera, et cetera." So
there it is. Ooh, there it is.
yeah, there you go. Yeah. So the complaint alleges that Dixon went to Skip Bayless and asked Skip Bayless to have Joy as the third host of Undisputed, and Skip didn't want her, but Dixon impressed upon him and said, "Do this for me."
Yeah, man. Yeah, I'll be really happy to make you do
Yeah,
this
yeah.
one
I
favor.
promised this girl this doing pillow talk.
Do this one solid for me.
There you
know.
go.
I mean, and she's very, very talented, but just do this one solid for
Right.
me. Yeah.
But I think her previous background was bartender and radio personality.
Okay.
So she was, she had experience.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
So, so do this solid for me.
Okay.
Skip relented, got her on the show. So she was doing the hair for Skip, for Joy, and other people on the show. So then Joy left there and went to the Herd with Colin.
Right.
Cowherd. So then she started doing the hair for Joy and Colin and Skip and other places. So as things progressed, Joy got more powerful. And then, according to the complaint, she obtained another friend, Emmanuel Acha, who she leveraged for promotion and position. And during this time, her and Faraji kind of fell out.
So that's why Faraji talking.
Right.
Yeah.
Correct.
Right.
And also during this time, Skip Bayless allegedly fell in love with Faraji.
I didn't hear this part. Oh,
Yeah.
Wait a minute. He fell in love.
Oh, this is such a trial.
With the hairdresser.
Yes.
With the hairdresser. So he was doing his hair.
That's a Tiger Woods.
Yeah. And according to her,
Perkins.
Oh my God.
Hi, this is Tiger.
according to her, he offered her $1.5 million to sleep with him.
Hold up. Can you? Hey, hold on. Wait a minute. Did they have a move out where like I give you $1 million, I sleep with your wife? It was
A decent proposal.
Yeah.
Robert Redford.
This,
and
look at shit. Hey, the damn lawyers, they would know.
Moore.
They know.
Woody
They're
House.
supposed to know everything.
So hold up. That's right.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
here's $1.5 million.
According to her complaint, he offered
God
her
almighty.
$1.5 million.
Yeah, you can say that
God
again, Roy.
On multiple occasions. He was very persistent, and she was very
But
persistent.
first of all, Skip got that kind of paper. He gets paid $1.5
$1.5
million for one night.
1.5.
Okay, keep it going.
And
Keep it
she continued to, stiff arm him. She Heismaned him.
going. Highs, yeah.
I'm a professional.
Right.
But he continued to pursue her. And she just continued to push his advances away. So during this time, then he comes to think that she was sleeping with Shannon Sharp. So then he kind of retaliates against her, and it turns in.
Wait.
Yeah.
So now we know why
So
that split.
She's sleeping with
Well,
No,
she did.
alleged.
alleged with Shay Shay.
Skip thought she was, but she turned out not to be.
Okay.
But
well,
that-
that.
Yeah.
That's anyway,
It's my turn.
I'm sorry. Go ahead.
No. I'm talking about Skip. Remember Skip on the show?
That's
It's
right.
my turn.
That's right. There
He
you
said
go.
it was my turn.
That's right. Go ahead. That's funny.
Wow.
That's funny.
But ultimately, as this kind of progressed, she also fell out with Joy.
Right.
Joy said she wanted black women to do her hair instead of her, so she started complaining. And then, so that kind of led to some of those allegations. And the lady is Iranian. And
Okay, I was going to ask her a question. Yeah.
so she's Iranian, and then she also has a speech impediment.
Mm-hmm.
She stutters, but it's a trigger from some type of trauma.
Okay.
So according to the complaint, Joy started making fun of her.
I was going to say.
Started mocking her.
I was going to say, what does that have to do with anything? But now,
Joy started mocking her.
Oh, that's cold.
Yeah,
That's
Joy allegedly started mocking her. Other people around the organization were making fun of her and mocking her.
Okay.
So basically, they created a hostile working environment,
Sure.
according to her complaint. She's also suing for lost wages, failure to pay minimum wages, failure to reimburse for business expenses, Title VII, sexual harassment, sexual battery. She alleges that Dixon groped her on several occasions. And according to her complaint, that this environment is pervasive at Fox Sports, that superiors and executives are allowed to kind of prey on subordinates, and then they are protected, and the subordinates are ultimately punished.
Wow.
So that's the gist of the complaint. That's why Joy Taylor has been all up and down your news feed,
Right. I was
for the
saying
last week, as well as Skip Bayless. So that's where we are.
So the lawsuit was filed by her.
Correct.
See, I was
The
thinking, I
hairstylist.
thought it was Skip Bayless who.
Yeah, some of the reporting kind of made it wasn't clear. It made it kind of seem like Skip
right.
filed a lawsuit. But no, she filed a lawsuit, aired everybody's dirty laundry, and then talked about how Fox Sports didn't pay people and basically pushed them into sexually harassed
That's crazy.
situations and
So
environments.
what really happened was Joy's man started hitting on the hairstylist. She didn't like that. Dixon or whatever is it.
Yeah.
And that caused,
Yeah, and then they ultimately fired her. They cut her hours back because of the issues with Skip, and then the issues with Joy. They cut her hours back, and then they terminated her. So yeah, It's
That's amazing.
And then you gonna mock her?
yeah. So there's some racial
How much are you suing for? Do you say?
undisclosed amount.
Yeah.
So the
I'm
Super
still-
Bowl
You
is in
still
a
on the
month.
1.5 billion that she passed up.
I'm still on this 1.5. That's what I'm still on. I'm still on the 1.5.
to just proposition someone with "I'll pay you 1.5."
5. Yeah.
That's
Anyway. Okay.
yeah.
That's a lot.
Yeah. In other news,
What she look like? I mean, you got a picture.
It's more about what he looked like. She didn't want him.
she don't look like 1.5.
I ain't seen nobody. That's the right answer. There's nobody walking out there look like 1.5. I'm just saying right now.
Oh man, yeah.
Boy, I had no idea. Thank you for your liners on that.
Yeah,
man.
yeah,
This is what you get with
It's like a
GRW
soap
show.
Fox Sports soap opera.
Yeah, the moral of the story is don't sexually harass
Yeah.
female employees, and if it's going on as an employer, you have to address it immediately.
That's crazy.
Yeah. And the other lesson is when you sit in the chair, whether it be barber or stylist,
Keep
Keep your mouth shut.
keep your mouth shut.
Keep your circle tight. Keep your circle tight.
You know about that, boy. That's amazing. We rock with GRW as we do each and every Thursday. What's the interesting topic? I can't wait for the next one. What's the next one today?
So we know Tiger just launched the TGL, the Tiger Golf.
Matter of fact, they playing tonight. I think it is.
Is it tonight?
Yeah. Did you see the first one?
No, did not.
Okay, because Mr. Which I can't even lie. The guy that can hit the ball pretty well. What was your? So I watched it for a minute. People said the ratings were unbelievable.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe because 3.2 million.
Maybe because it's the first one,
right.
and Tiger was involved, and Rory and all that.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
So I'm curious to see what tonight's going to be about. Yeah.
I think the way they laid it out was brilliant.
Mm-hmm.
That everybody thought Tiger was playing the first night.
Yep.
And you didn't find out until it started that he wasn't playing.
Right.
So now he's playing tonight or in the second event.
Okay.
So
that's
I think
tonight, I think.
Yeah, everyone that probably tuned in that
Will be
there tonight. Mm-hmm. But I saw some of the clips. It's an interesting concept. But the thing I think that's most interesting is the green aspect, because if you're doing like a golf simulator or like our partner and friend We Go Golf, something like that, you're hitting into the screen. And the monitor projects your ball flight, distance, and kind of proximity to the green, which is very enjoyable. What they're doing is they've added a component where there's an actual green in the studio where they're playing. Yeah, and this is kind of next level, but the green changes.
But it changes to be consistent with the course they play.
Correct.
Which is
I don't know how many different iterations there are, but the green changes per hole.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Like a real golf course.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's say if you hit your approach shot and it's 5 feet from the pin on the low side, then you put the ball 5 feet below the pin on the green, and then you got to make the putt. So it's kind of like the next level of virtual golf.
That's interesting.
Yeah, I think that's an interesting spin that kind of gives it a little more teeth. But speaking of Tiger, he is under attack, or his logo is under attack.
I've been reading about that. Yeah,
it's been under attack stylistically by a lot of people for a long time, panning the design.
Right.
But now it's also an illegal attack, where Puma has filed an opposition to the trademark, saying that it infringes upon their mark, the leaping cat. And they're
so
come on, man.
The leaping cat.
The leaping cat.
Go ahead.
So that's kind of the kind of explanation of the.
But this is not the first. He's been sued a couple times, right?
There's actually another company called Tiger Air out of Louisiana, out of Baton Rouge, and they have a connection to LSU, and they have a trademark that's a leaping tiger, and actually their trademark is killing tigers. It actually looks way better.
Really?
Yes. But Tiger's logo is based. It's got 15 stripes, so it's 15 majors. But they're suing for likelihood of confusion. To have
now, here's the thing though. But they're different logos, right?
It's a different logo, but it's similar in appearance. Like if you think about the Sunday Red logo and you compare that to the Puma logo,
okay,
you know the Puma logo obviously is a solid cat, which I don't think that bears as much resemblance. But the Tiger Air, you can kind of see the Tiger Air logo here.
Yeah.
It's
so that's the Tiger Air logo for LSU people.
Yeah, it's a ventilation company.
That looks more. I don't know. I guess it's one thing. Tiger, all the money got. His lawyers and his team. Did they run that up the flagpole to make sure they weren't infringing on other logo
Yeah,
that's a great question. You would think they would.
Yeah. To apply for a trademark, you have to kind of do a trademark search. So,
okay.
And I don't think they've actually filed a lawsuit against Tiger Air, accusing them of trying to get some notoriety and publicity based on the similarities of the trademarks. Yeah. And Puma may be doing the same thing.
Okay.
Because if you look at Tiger, the Sunday Red logo, it's kind of an outline of a tiger. Mm-hmm. It's a different posture. The tiger's head is down. It's running. The Puma logo, the Puma's actually kind of leaping. Mm-hmm. And the Tiger Air logo is probably closer to that logo, but again, in my opinion, it's a far more impressive logo.
Wow.
So it's at the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office right now. So there's be some fight over whether Tiger can keep the logo. Okay. And we'll keep you posted going forward.
So tell people how they can keep up with you for other
logo.
Stuff. What you got real quick?
919-696-1406, grw-law.com. We protect the injured, counsel the unsure.
And you can find